Hey guys, it's me, Orin, and today I'll show you our little garden. Yeah, it's a little garden here, and I'll show you all of it. And first, it's these stairs. Yeah, I'm walking barefoot actually, and it was raining. That's why there's so many leaves. So first we will start with this tree. I forgot what it calls. It's like white flowers, but there's no flower actually. You can see it by yourself. In Bengali it calls shuli, I think. Yeah, it calls that, and it blooms flower before winter. Yeah, when it's slightly winter, like this October, November, like this. And there's the cactus, but there's not that much flowers. And here's another leaves, and I don't know what it calls actually. And it's super cool to me. And there's slightly raindrops. Then just get a heart. And there's another kind of them, and there's red. Look, there's raindrops, and there's the river, and in the middle there's a pond, and there are some fishes. And this is a bamboo tree, 1, 2, and 3. And there's another tree, I don't know what it's called actually. And then there's the mango tree, and there's a bench in the ground like that. And then look, the sky is so great today. And there's so much leaves. And let me show you at the ground. And there's flowers actually, and there's so much leaves there. And now let's go to the other way. Yep, we're now at the other way, and there's my sandals, and look, there's the stream. So at first I forgot what it called. It called caffeine, I think. There's so much leaves there, and a plant. And there's the papaya tree. There's so much papayas actually. I hate papayas. And now I'll just show you another tree. I don't know what it's called. And this is a plum tree, and it's cool, kind of cool actually. And now I'll show you the other way. There's slightly little plants. See? Wow, cool. Right? It's cute. And there's a lemon tree. And there's another lemon tree. There's another lemon tree. And now let's go there. And there's the other way, but there's so much muddy, so I will not go there. And there's another tree, and I don't know its name too. I'm sorry so much. I'm so sorry actually. And there's an eggplant tree, and there's some jackfruit trees leaves, and yeah, there's a guava tree. There's sour actually. And there's another plant. It's a veggie, but I don't know its name. And now there's a baby chick, and there's some chickens. And this is we actually own a goat. So let's go here. I think it will make me tricky to unlock this little thing. And so yeah, let's go. And now there's the goat, and he looks pissed. I'm laughing so much with this reaction. So it's taking me time to do it. So now it's done. So it's just my tour. Oh look, there's some eggplant trees, and there's some baby eggplants. Oh, they're so cute. And there's another tree, and another one. These are ours actually. So it's the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye.
High in the sky.